Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, 10 Minutes Exploration. Today we explore the secrets of the past, history mysteries. Today we are going to talk about one of the most famous shipwrecks in history, the Titanic. The Titanic was a British passenger liner that sank on April 15, 1912, during its maiden voyage from Southampton, UK, to New York City, US, after striking an iceberg in the North Atlantic Ocean. It was one of the most tragic disasters in modern history, killing more than 1,500 people out of the estimated 2,224 passengers and crew aboard. It also inspired many artistic works and scientific speculations. But how was the Titanic found, and what does it look like today? Let's find out. For decades after the sinking, the exact location and condition of the Titanic were unknown. Many expeditions tried to locate the wreck using sonar, but failed due to the depth and vastness of the ocean. Some even claimed to have found it, but turned out to be hoaxes or mistakes. It was not until 1985 that the wreck was finally discovered by a joint French-American expedition led by Dr. Robert Ballard, a famous oceanographer from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. Ballard had a new technology that could help him, an unmanned submersible called Argo, equipped with a camera and a sonar. Ballard and his team used Argo to scan the seafloor, looking for debris or anomalies that could indicate the presence of the Titanic. On September 1, 1985, they hit the jackpot. Argo sent back images of a large metal object that looked like a boiler. Ballard realized it was part of the Titanic. He then launched another submersible, called Jason Jr., which could go closer to the wreck and take more detailed pictures. Jason Jr. confirmed that it was indeed the Titanic, lying at a depth of about 12,500 feet, 3,800 meters, about 370 nautical miles, 690 kilometers south-southeast of Newfoundland. Ballard and his team were ecstatic. They had solved one of the greatest mysteries of the sea. They also made history by being the first humans to see the Titanic since it sank 73 years ago. What did Ballard and his team see when they explored the wreck? They saw that the Titanic had broken into two main pieces about 2,000 feet 600 meters apart. The bow, the front part, was still recognizable, with many preserved interiors, despite deterioration and damage sustained hitting the seafloor. The stern, the back part, was completely ruined and twisted by the impact and the water pressure. They also saw a debris field around the wreck, containing hundreds of thousands of items spilled from the ship as it sank: dishes, glasses, bottles, shoes, suitcases, furniture, personal belongings, and even human remains. These items told stories of the lives and deaths of the people who were on board. Ballard and his team were careful not to disturb or damage anything they saw. They treated the wreck as a sacred site and a mass grave. They also respected the wishes of some survivors and relatives who did not want anyone to salvage or raise anything from the Titanic. Since Ballard's discovery, many other expeditions have visited the Titanic, some for scientific purposes and some for tourism or entertainment. Some have also recovered thousands of artifacts from the wreck, which have been conserved and put on public display in museums around the world. However, not everyone agrees with this practice. Some argue that it is unethical and disrespectful to take anything from the Titanic, while others claim that it is important to preserve and share its history and legacy. The debate is likely to continue as long as there is something left to see of the Titanic. But how long will that be? Scientists estimate that the wreck is deteriorating rapidly due to salt corrosion, metal-eating bacteria, and human interference. Some potter have already collapsed or disappeared. A newly discovered species of rust-eating bacterium found on the ship has been named Halomonas titanici, which has been found to cause rapid decay of the wreck. Henrietta Mann, who discovered the bacteria, has estimated that the Titanic will completely collapse possibly as soon as 2030. The future of the wreck is uncertain, but its story will never be forgotten. The Titanic will always be a symbol of human ambition, tragedy, and resilience. In conclusion, the discovery of the Titanic was a monumental achievement in the realm of underwater exploration. After years of failed attempts, Dr. Robert Ballard and his team finally located the wreck in 1985 using the unmanned submersible Argo. The images captured by Argo confirmed that the Titanic lay at a depth of 12,500 feet, approximately 370 nautical miles south-southeast of Newfoundland. While subsequent expeditions have recovered artifacts, the ethics of such actions remain a subject of debate. Some argue for preserving the wreck as a sacred site and mass grave, while others believe it is essential to share its historical significance. Unfortunately, the Titanic is deteriorating rapidly due to various factors, including salt corrosion and metal-eating bacteria. It is estimated that the wreck could collapse entirely by 2030. Regardless of its fate, the Titanic will forever be a symbol of human ambition, tragedy, and resilience, ensuring its story and the lessons it teaches are never forgotten. Thank you for watching this video of History Mysteries. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What do you think about the Titanic? Should we leave it alone or try to save it? Let us know your opinion. See you next time.